Here is the data. I have already entered the data. I have assigned all the values to the random variable x at a time. You can also assign the values one by one to random variable x, but in this case you have to repeat all the commands each time. Now what we will do? First we will go on transform, then compute variable. In target variable we will write probability, just PROB for probability. You can write any other name. Then function groups, CDF and non-central CDF are here, so click. Then functions and special variables. Click on CDF for normal distribution. You can see here CDF for normal distribution expression is appeared in front of you. Now we have to shift this CDF normal expression in the numeric expression by clicking. This is the numeric expression for CDF normal distribution. Here are 3 question marks. This means we have to put the values in 3 question marks. We have to put numeric values in these 3 question marks. First value is for quantity. This means value for the random variable. The second question mark shows value for mean, and third one for the standard deviation. So click variable x, then shift. Against quantity I put the value of variable x, then mean is 50 for this question. And for standard deviation we will substitute 5. This is the numeric expression for CDF normal. See here CDF normal, first x, comma, then 50 the value of mean, then comma, and then the value of standard deviation 5. Then click on OK. We have to minimize the output. In variable view you can see the probabilities against values of x. This is the probability 0.92. This probability is against value of x 57. This means if x takes values less or equals to 57, then the probability is 0.92. Similarly, if x takes values less or equals to 54, the probability is 0.79. If x takes values less or equals to 55, then probability is 0.84. You can also say if x takes value less than 57, because equality does not exist in continuous distribution, so we can say less or equal. But we have to take the probabilities up to 4 significant figure. For this we will go on, click on variable view, then against probability write 4 for decimals. Now you can see in the data view, the probabilities are now in up to 4 decimal places.